With the stories?
Yeah,
Sure. So, an incredibly dear friend of mine received the wallet 40 years ago, and his wife doesn't recognize him anymore. And so this is all he has, really. So he wouldn't fix it. He wouldn't let me fix it. He wouldn't let me replace it. So instead, I basically convinced him that if we could take it and turn it into something better, different, new, that actually held all of his money and didn't fall apart on him, that maybe he would be okay with it. So that's the background on the story.
So what I'm planning on doing is taking out some of this material from the inside and incorporating that into a wallet, and they also wanted me to try and incorporate some duct tape into the piece as well. So I'm going to try and do my traditional bifold design, but incorporate a little bit of duct tape and a little bit of that fabric. So here it goes.
Nervous. Oh, wow. Oh, I love it. Oh, it's great. It's perfect. Thank you. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Yeah, no, it's perfect. He's gonna love it. He's gonna trip out. He's gonna really like it. Yeah. Thank you. I love the little lining of it. No, he'll know exactly what it's for. He'll know all of his pieces. So thank you.
Okay.
It's perfect.
Awesome.
Thank you. I'd hug you, but COVID.